Tangential stress, for that you need to take the tangential force, which is F cos theta. So using this we can find the tangential force. Then the ratio, you can simply take the ratio and it will come out to be 10. Then let's start with another question. It is based on the stress strain curve. So here are given two graphs for material A and B. We need to find Young modulus of A, then Young modulus of B, then the ratio, then theta for which they are equal, YA greater than YB less than YB. So firstly, for graph A, we can see the angle from the strain axis is theta. So Young's modulus is going to be 10 theta. However, for the second substance B, angle from stress axis is theta. So we have to take from strain axis. So that will be 90 minus theta, which will be equal to cot theta. If you calculate the ratio comes out to be 10 square theta under condition under which they are equal. So if you equate them, put 10 square theta 1, so theta will be 45. Conditions for which YA greater than YB. So YA is greater than YB. The ratio is 10 square theta. So it should be greater than 1, which implies 10 theta greater than 1, which implies that theta should be greater than 45. And for the next question, obviously it should be less than 45. Let's begin with the next question. The next question is about dimensional formula of stress. So we know that dimensional formula of stress is m1l minus 1 t minus 2. Then is on SI unit, it is Newton per meter square or kg per meter second square. Then about CGS unit, it is Dan per centimeter square. Ratio, if we calculate, it comes out to be 10. So let's start with another concept of, it is called the torsional pendulum. So torsional pendulum is something like you have distorted something and it applies a certain force. Then there is a torque on this. Suppose there is a rod and you just keep this point fixed and just rotate it. So you will feel that due to change in shape, it will try to create a restoring torque. That restoring torque is inversely proportional to the torsional angle. So the graph will be a straight line and tan alpha will be C. If we are being given two constants, then if alpha 2 is greater than alpha 1, that implies tan alpha 2 will be greater than tan alpha 1. That implies C2 will be greater than C. So there is a very interesting question on